Hello, the learning objective for today's video is to solve alternate area equations, this time using the quadratic formula. So in our question here, it says the width of a rectangle is 5 meters longer than the length. If the length is increased by 4 meters and the width is decreased by 2, the area of the rectangle would be 90 meters squared. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Let's try it out. So, with every equation, first thing we need to do is name our variable. So we're going to let m, but you can use any letter, equal the length, and let m plus 5 equal the width, because in our question it says the width of the rectangle is 5 meters longer than the length. So m is the length, and m plus 5 is the width. Now, we need to name our new width and our new length because the question alters it. So in the question it says the new length is increased by 4, so we'll do m plus 4 because m was our length before. So that is our new length. And in our question it says the width was decreased by 2, so we would let m plus 3 equal the new width because 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we can make our equation here. Since we're using area, we will multiply both sections by each other, and that'll equal 90. Now if you solve that, you get m squared plus 7m plus 12 equals 90. If we make it 0, we get m squared plus 7m minus 78 equals 0. Next step. So the next step we need to do is, once we have m squared plus 7m minus 78 equals 0, we can name a, which is 1, b, which is 7, here, and then c, which is negative 78. So once we have a, b, and c, we can start our quadratic formula. So we have m equals negative 7, because negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 7 squared, minus 4ac, so minus 4a, which is 1, c, which is negative 78 in this case, over 2a, which is 2 times 1 in this case. Next step. So our next step is basically narrowing down our quadratic formula more. So we have m equals negative 7 plus or minus 7 squared, which is 49, minus negative 4 times negative 78, which is plus 312 over 2. Narrowing it down even more, we get negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 361 over 2. Narrowing it down even more, we get m equals negative 7 plus or minus 19 over 2. Stay watching for the next step. The next step is to use both minus and plus to get our two m answers. So negative 7 plus 19 will get 12 over 2, which equals 6. And then we get negative 7 minus 19 over 2, which is, if I'm not mistaken, negative 26, yeah, that's right, over 2, which is negative 13. So m equals both of these answers. But in this case, the negative is not valid because you can't have a negative area. That doesn't make any sense. Negative dimensions? No. So m equals 6. Stay watching for the final step. So our final step will be, since m equals 6, we just need to name our dimensions. So for both our equations were m plus 3 and m plus 4. These are both our dimensions. We get 6 plus 3, which is 9, and 6 plus 4, which is 10. Remember, our final answer was 90 meters squared, so 9 times 10 equals 90. Thanks for watching.